So, medyo konting ano lang. Importante po sa energy healing para matanggap talaga natin yung blessing ni God ay i-open natin yung hearts natin. No? Paano i-open yung heart? Ang pinakamadaling way to open our hearts is to be humble. Importante maging humble tayo. We must feel the humility in our hearts. And then mararamdaman nyo, unti-unti ang bubukas. Kapag bukas na yung puso natin, at pag punong-puno ng humility yan, papasok talaga yung divine power ni God. Kasi hinahanap talaga ng divine blessing, ng divine energy ni God, yung humility. Kaya napapasin nyo guys, sa mga pelikula, kung sino yung humble, kung sino yung nagpapakababa, siya yung nananalo, siya yung nagiging bida sa pelikula. Diba? Kasi kaya gano'n, kasi pumasok na sa kanya yung divine energy ni God. Kasi may humility na. Yun ang hinahanap ng divine energy. Yun ang hinahanap ng mga divine blessings ni God. Kung sino ba yung taong may humility sa puso. Kumbaga, yun ang ticket natin para matanggap yung blessings ni God. Para pumasok yung light ni God sa heart natin. Kababaan ng loob, humility. So yun. Ngayon, hihingi tayo kay God ng blessings of peace and calmness. Lalo-lalo na peace para sa Middle East, sa Israel, at sa Gaza, di ba? So, kailangan punuin talaga natin yung sarili natin ng humility. No? And then, maraming mahahawa sa atin. Maraming may inspire, may encourage na magpaka-humble din. And then, ayun na. Papasok na lalo sa buong mundo, sa lahat ng puso ng lahat ng tao, yung divine blessing, yung humility. Kasi naghihintay lang talaga yan. Yung divine energy ni God, yung divine blessing, naghihintay lang talaga yan, 24/7, na makapasok sa atin. Kailangan nang buksan talaga yung heart natin. And the best way, the key, yung pinakasusi, ay humility. Okay? So, let's do it now, guys. Please close your eyes. Mag-start na tayo. 15 minutes lang putos, no? So, hindi naman ganun katagalan. Mahaba pa nga yung mga teleserye natin. So, please close our eyes. And then feel the humility in our hearts. No? Be humble. Try to be humble. With love and care for yourself, feel the humility in your hearts. Okay? Okay, very good. Ayan, no? Very good. Napaka-peaceful. Kung nararamdaman nyo guys, napaka-peaceful ng paligid nyo ngayon by simply being humble. So, very good guys. Tapos, let us imagine or let us just know that there is a ball of energy shining like the sun on top of your heads that represents the light of God. Yung light of God nasa ibabaw ng ulo natin. Allow that light to enter your head, enter your mind, enter your heart, enter your entire being. Allow that light of God to fill your entire body. Receive God's love. Receive God's divine blessings, especially of peace, to your heart, to the humility in your entire being. Very good. Divine Father, please bless all of us here as we are praying for peace and calmness in our hearts and then in the entire world, especially the Middle East and in the Gaza and Israel conflict. Please dissolve all of the pride in our hearts. Help us all to open our hearts to receive more of your divine light and divine blessings and divine love. Open our eyes to see your light and your love. Open our hearts to receive your love and your peace. Empower us with your light and heal our souls, heal our bodies, our emotions, our minds. Send your divine protection and light to all the peoples of the world, especially in the Middle East, Israel, and Gaza. Protect all of the people there. Guide them towards your peace, harmony. Bless the leaders there and be filled with your divine light so that they can make the best decision towards peace. Divine Father, please bless us all so that we can see your divine light and fill our entire being with divine light. Fill our minds with your divine power and divine light. Fill our hearts with divine light. And we ask you, Divine Father, with all humility to please bring your divine light. Direct it to the Israel and Gaza conflict. Dissolve all negative energies there. Dissolve all pride. Dissolve all anger. Dissolve all misunderstandings. replace it with your divine light of understanding, of humility, of compassion, of forgiveness. Bless all of the people there, including the leaders. They may find humility in their hearts. They may have compassion. So let us help bring light into the Israel and Gaza conflict. Let us fill it with divine light. Imagine that area becoming illuminated with golden light. The golden light is the power of God, so imagine the power of God entering each person, each soul, each heart in that place, in Israel and Gaza. Fill their hearts with love, fill their hearts with God's light. Let's all help together to illuminate our fellow brothers and sisters in Israel and Gaza, in the Middle East. Illuminate their hearts and their minds. Again, let us imagine the divine light of God entering each soul, each heart of our brothers and sisters. Let us imagine them being illuminated by God's divine light and divine love, and inspire compassion and peace in their hearts. Imagine them becoming brighter, being filled more and more with divine light. Alright, now let us share the healing that we receive to our Divine Mother Earth. Connect to the center of the earth and then bless Mother Earth with love and with light, with calmness and with peace. Let us help nurture Mother Earth, nurture the plants and all of the animals, divine light and love, to the entire planet with peace and light. Think about your loved ones. Bless your loved ones with the light of God. Think of the people who are feeling alone, depressed, and helpless. Fill them with divine light. And then whisper into their hearts that they can make it. That there's God with them, guiding them and helping them, that they're not alone. Right? Our session is complete. Please give your Thanksgiving prayer. Say your Thanksgiving prayer to God for the healing that we have received and for the blessings given to Israel and Gaza. Thank you very much, Divine Father, Lord Jesus Christ, Divine Mother, all of the archangels, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Chamuel, all of the archangels and angels, and all of the saints and spiritual masters who have helped us tonight. Thank you for your protection and your love and light and your blessings. So thank you very much, guys, for joining our energy healing session. If you need to take a break, water break, or lakad-lakad, you can do it now. For those people who would like to share their, if there's any visions that you had while doing the energy healing tonight, you can share them here. You can ask about your experiences, if ever. If you have any visions or any realizations while doing this energy healing, feel free to share them here. Okay? And the gold color that you're seeing is actually the divine light. It really is color gold. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, yung mga golden Buddha, halimbawa ito si Kuan Yin, most of yung mga highly evolved spiritual beings, ang depiction nila ay color gold because it represents the golden body ng isang divine being. If you're gonna notice, si Jesus Christ, sila Mother Mary, yung mga saints natin, meron silang golden light sa ulo nila. It represents divine energy. It's color gold. No? Actually, kung mapapansin niyo yung mga Egyptians, di ba dati, parang they're praying for Ra, yung god Ra si Ra. Pero actually, if you're going to look deeper into the meaning of it, golden sun. So they also acknowledge the divine energy and representation sa kanila dati na ni God ay the golden sun. So they're worshiping the sun, pero basically they're worshiping the power of God, the divine presence of God, na mukhang araw, shining like a bright sun. No? Not technically the sun, but the energy of God, if you're going to see it in the spiritual world, it's like the brightest sun that you can see in the universe. The light of God, yung divine source of light, which is golden, which is God. So, si Miss Pamela, share ko lang, no? Sabi niya, ayan, may nakita daw babae yung mother niya, naka-side view, and then natatabunan yung mukha ng, siguro ng buhok, no? And then may suot daw po na kwintas, na may, nakakulay green. Parang doon, baka ito yung nakikita mo. No? Pero may babae siya nakita eh, so I guess, sa spiritual version, thank you for sharing your visions. No? Pag the green color, guys, para sa mga bago dito, it represents the healing energy. No? So it's very common for you to see a green colored energy whenever you undergo a healing session. No? So sino pa po gusto mag-share? Miss Rosel, Miss Lian, would you like to share?
Ako po, sir.
Sige, gawin. Lakas po natin.
Ay, masyado bang mahina? Yung ano po, yung umpisa, afternoon, may nakikita na po akong, alam niyo po yung armor, yung pang matandang armor na yung sa katawan, na sobrang laki. Yung balot, iba-iba po yung kulay, pero may gold na mga dot sa ano niya. Nakita ko lang yung ano niya lang, pero hindi ko nakita yung taong nagsuot. Bali, 3 sila. Kasi malalaki masyado eh.
Okay.
Mga higante, oh. Tapos, afternoon, nakita ko siya, parang triangle, pero ang sa loob, para siyang flower. Alam niyo po yung isang flower na maraming iba-ibang kulay sa loob. May yellow, may yung violet na papunta na sa dark na kulay. Tapos may green, may dark violet, mga iba-ibang kulay po, sir. Yung nakikita ko, nagsasayaw po siya na umiikot. Yung kulay na yon. Tapos afternoon, nung sabi niyong i-accept namin yung light galing kay God, nag-init yung buong paligid ko. Nainit
Okay.
siya. Oh, ramdam ko po yung ano, yung energy. Tapos,
Hindi naman mainit ang lugar nyo ngayon. Baka tanghaling tapat. Hindi naman ganon.
hindi na po, ano na, mag-alas 4 na eh.
Hapon na sa inyo. Ay,
Opo,
nasaba kayo, madam?
nasa Spain.
Hindi naman mainit sa Spain ngayon.
Hindi na po masyado kasi ano na hapon na eh.
Hapon na.
May mga puno naman sa paligid, mahangin talaga.
Okay, plus ko naman.
Kaya,
Pero biglang
oo.
uminit.
Oo.
Ayan. Yes, totoo. No? Kasi guys, actually, ito ng content. Yung healing energy, most of the time talaga mainit siya. Lalo na kung kailangan niya mag-cleansing, mainit talaga siya. No? Sige pa, tuloy natin.
Tapos ano po, yun nga, iba-ibang kulay na nakita ko. May white, as in super white na kulay. Tapos, nung panghuli parang nalulungkot ako doon. Yung parang napipil ko pa rin yung nangyayari doon sa Gaza at saka sa Israel. Yun lang po.
Ah, ano pa po?
Yun lang po, sir. Thank
Ah,
you.
So, maraming salamat po sa mga visions na nakita nyo. No? Lalo na yung sa triangle, tapos yung mga ibang colors, no? Para it all represents the healing energy, no? And yes, totoo nga yun. Pag nire-receive kasi natin yung divine energy, umiinit kasi talaga yung room, no? Kasi napupuno. Parang ano talaga, parang ilaw, no? Parang sun, mainit talaga siya. Meron nga ako isang kwento na dati, napanood ko sa TV, no? Nag-pray over sila dun sa isang bata na sa hospital. Kasi very critical. I think dengue yung case ng bata na yun. Pray over sila. Sabi ng mga nag-pray over, air-conditioned yung room sa hospital, ICU, no? Pero bigla daw uminit yung buong kwarto. And then yung bata biglang nag-recover, nag-reverse yung kanyang yung ailment niya, no? Nag-normalize yung blood niya. Yung kasi may dengue nga siya, no? So kumbaga lumakas yung resistensya ng bata. Instantly, nagkaroon siya ng healing. So it's very similar to sa experience ni Miss Rosel. Now, when she accepted the divine light, the divine healing, uminit yung paligid niya because she can feel the divine energy doing its work on her and also around her area, sa bahay niya, no? So, yun. So, basa muna tayo ng comments ulit. Ayan, dalawa daw yung nakita ni Miss Pamela. Yung isa nasa isa siyang sirang building na may mga tao. Yung isa naman ay okay? Ayun. So, while she was praying in her vision, while she is there, no, nagliwanag daw yung lugar, sabi niya dito. Yan, okay. Galing sa langit yung liwanag, no? Tapos pangalawa po, nasa harap po ako ng may malaki pong upuan, yung para po sa hari, ganun po. Okay. Tapos, may espada po sa harap nun. Puting-puti po ang paligid, pero karamihan po ay may gold. Ayan. So, I think ang nakikita ni Miss Pamela ay yung throne ni God. No? And the sword of God, the sword of truth, the sword of light, that cuts through all of the evils in this world. Yes, malaki talaga yung sword ni God, no? Malaki talaga yon. Sobrang laki nun. So, very good, no? Miss Pamela, ang laki po ng source. May blue. Okay. The blue gem na nakikita mo dun sa sword ni God ay yun ang divine mercy. No? Divine mercy ni God yon. So, yes, si God, very powerful, pero at the same time, very merciful.